guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you how to make this little tree. So for today's project we're going to make this little tree like this, and we're going to need a ring. I've got this gold one and some wire and some beads. I've got silver wire and a gold ring, a little bit of mixed metal going on here. And I've cut these into small pieces so that it can help us just to get started. So what I want to do is just get the middle and fold it on like that. Turn it round once. Okay, that's what we're looking for. I'm going to do that a bunch of times with all these wires. Okay, I've put all those wires on like this. I had 12 wires and now I've put them into sets of 4 so that we can start with this part, the root part. I'm just going to take this middle one and I'm going to pull it tight, sort that out. I'm going to get the same amount on this side as that side, and I'm just going to twist. Oh wow, they're a bit tangled now. There we go. There we go. I'm just going to twist like that to make a little root. I'm going to do that with these as well. It'll look like that, and then the last one like this, and twist, 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 and it's gonna look like that. So I'm gonna now bring it all up to the middle here, and then I'm gonna twist to make the trunk. Quite a bit to hold on to. Okay, I'm gonna go again just to make it a bit longer. There we go. And now it looks like that. Just want to get a nice set of 3 again. There we go. And I want to start with this. I'm going to pull these down a bit, and I'm going to start with this middle bit. I'm going to put some beads on, and then we'll attach it to the top. So let's put a bead here. Oh goodness, I'm trying to get away. I'm going to put 2. And then I'm just going to twist it around the top. 2 times. And then I want to bring it around the back of this side and get it round this piece of what. Let me move these. So it's round the back, and I'm going to turn it round this piece of wire so that it goes back. Okay, it's going to look like that. And then you just want to cut off this excess piece. Okay, and we just continue putting beads on like that. Put one this time. and thread it through there and twist it back again. Cut off that excess. Okay, we're going to keep doing that all the way around. I'm still putting beads on. I'm just twisting some branches so it looks like a branch here, and then the beads go out a bit like that, and then I just keep twisting this part around the ring, and it'll look like that. This piece goes that way, and then I'm just holding it tight at the back. There we go. And then we can cut off that excess bit. And then I can move on to the next side. Put a bead on like that. And just twisting. You can cut off over here. Now let's start on this side. It's got a nice little branch. Looks like a branch. So I'm going to separate those two and pull this one down. And I'm going to work over here with this one. So I'm just going to separate them and do a little twist so it looks like a branch. There we go. Now these two I'm going to put together. Two wires at the same time. And then it'll look like that. So now just twist the wires around the ring till it looks right. When we do two at once, it's a bit stronger. And then just cut off the excess. And to look like that. I've put two beads here and I'm just going to twist it round the back and through. Move this one out the way and twist it again. And then push it through this side now. There we go. Look like that. And cut off the excess. Now this lovely branch, I want to separate it into two. And one's twisting that way. There we go. Separate it into two and twist it down a bit so it looks more like a branch. Okay, let's put a bead there. I'm actually going to put these two together because I'm running out of space now. Through there and push it, just twist it around this piece of wire so that it holds it tight. Here we go, and cut off the excess. And that's what it ended up looking like. You've got a lot of creative license to make it look exactly how you want it to look. Thanks for watching. It was a bit more complicated today, but they ended up beautiful. Please subscribe to see more videos like this.